Guys, I'm going to be making a fun spring soap today. This is going to be white tea and ginger, which is a beautiful fragrance. And I'm going to be changing up my design a little bit. There is another soap maker named Edgar who created this design, and I have not done it yet, but I would love to try it. And I've done kind of the base design before, but he added in doing a hanger swirl through it. So I'm going to be doing a pour along the side, alternating colors, and they're going to kind of fade into each other. And then I'm going to take my hanger tool and then kind of swirl down at an angle to hopefully create kind of a leaf look inside. And I'm going to be using, I have a gold mica that it kind of turns more of a peachy color. And then I have this pretty pink, and then I have a very spring green chartreuse color that I'm going to be using. And my plan is I'm going to have probably I have my notes here. I'm going to kind of figure out as I go along, but I'm going to have my two colors and I'm going to alternate them in my pouring pitcher. So my plan, I'm going to do it in 4 stages. My plan is to have green and then yellow. So I'll have these two. And then the next stage, I will start do less of the gold, add a little bit of the pink, so more of a peach, and then I'll fade out the green. So this is a very light green anyway. And then the next stage, a little bit more. And then the final one will have no color, so just the white batter and then all the pink. So I'm hoping to fade from kind of the peachy yellow to the pink and then the green to nothing. So, and then they'll be crossing each other, if that kind of makes sense. So hopefully it will be amazing and I will have no issues with the colors. Now, why I'm saying that is some greens do cause some acceleration with the batter, and the batter will set up very thick. Hopefully that doesn't happen. I may actually grab another green or maybe change it to yellow. I'm not using a whole lot of it. But I may have something set aside just in case that first one does end up moving pretty fast. Now, the other thing I have out, and I'm not sure if I'll use these or not. These are little piped leaves that I made, and I store them in the freezer because it keeps them nice and fresh, but I've got some different sizes. And I just don't know if I'm going to like the green with the design. Since it is white tea and ginger, I thought it might be neat to have some little leaves on top. So once I get it done, because usually the top on these soaps have a lot of lines in them, it might be too much if I put those on there. So I have this as an idea, and I'll see what it looks like at the end, because if it looks really cool on the top, I'll just leave it alone. If I'm like, oh, it might have some embellishments on there, then I'll add that too. I'm gonna go ahead, finish getting set up, wait for this to come do the correct temperature for me, and get all my micas and everything set up, and I'll come back to make the soap.